Artificial intelligence is changing the world in many ways, including how we pursue our hobbies. From music and art to sports and gaming, AI is enhancing our experiences and helping us discover new passions. In this video, we'll explore the surprising connection between AI and your favorite hobbies. One of the ways that AI is enhancing our hobbies is through personalization. With AI-powered tools and technologies, it's easier than ever to discover new music, books, and movies that match our tastes and preferences. For example, streaming services like Spotify and Netflix use AI to recommend content based on our listening and viewing history. Another way that AI is enhancing our hobbies is through virtual and augmented reality. With AI-powered VR and her technologies, we can experience our hobbies in new and immersive ways. For example, we can use VR headsets to explore virtual art galleries or play immersive video games. AI is also helping us improve our skills and performance in sports and other physical activities. With AI-powered wearables and apps, we can track our progress and receive personalized coaching and feedback. This can help us improve faster and reach our goals. In conclusion, AI is enhancing our hobbies in many ways. It's helping us discover new passions, experience our hobbies in new and immersive ways, and improve our skills and performance. So next time you're pursuing your favorite hobby, take a moment to appreciate the role of AI in making it even more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI technology, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future content from the AlphaTrees Hub.